Hey everyone, it's Vince here. Today I'll be talking to you about making money online from your mobile phone in 2022 and the positives and the negatives of doing so. I hope you enjoy. Let's kick this off. The first method I want to talk about is by playing money-making games. Now, 95% of these money-making games are complete scams, and generally you will never be able to earn more than a few dollars per hour playing them, at least in my country of Australia and in my own experience. I have found some pretty decent games that will pay you to play them, and these game applications are called Mist Play, Cash 'Em All, Just Play, App Flame, Cash Giraffe, all of the Givey applications. You can expect to earn between $1 and $2 by playing these money-making game applications, and the sad reality of it is you have developers that are trying to push a narrative that you can earn $20 or $50 or $100 an hour by playing these type of games, but that's just not the case. I have to say though, at least on the applications that I mentioned, I was paid within 2 days of requesting the cash out in most cases, and I did have multiple different cash out options as well, which was quite nice. I have so many different videos and playlists covering these type of money-making game applications that actually will pay you, so feel free to check the description of this video to find any relevant links that you are curious about. Because while playing games to earn money online is a fun way to generate a little bit of income, I definitely can't see it being anything more than just a tiny side hobby. You'll also find as well on rewarded playtime applications that pay you per minute to play the game, the longer you play, the harder it gets to earn. And these applications are very limited to specific countries only. This makes people want to use VPNs, but VPNs are not allowed on these apps, everyone. No matter what you hear, if a developer sees you're using a VPN, they will not pay you. So do not risk it. Next up, we have survey platforms. Now, survey platforms are probably one of my most favorite ways to earn money online because you are guaranteed the money for the work that you do. You see, with survey platforms, you are generally guaranteed instant amount of cash for giving your opinion on various subjects. Some of the platforms that I personally like to use at the time of this recording are Atapol, that features an instant PayPal cash out, Prize Rebel, that features so many different cash out options and multiple ways to earn, Survey Time, that pays you $1 for every single survey that you complete, and Vinsane, that allows you to complete surveys up to $10, guys. And without a doubt has one of the most biggest range of surveys to complete, at least in my country of Australia. These survey platforms will either have an application or you can just go straight to their website and it works completely fine from your mobile phone. Now, don't think it's all roses though, because completing surveys online does come with some downsides. The main downside that I see is disqualifications and getting screened out. If you are not exactly what a survey provider is looking for, you will get disqualified from that survey. And not only that, surveys in general are very time consuming. Plus, there are always the privacy concerns about the information that you are giving out. But that's exactly why you need to be sure that you're on platforms that are realistic and have been reviewed by content creators like myself that gives you an in-depth review on these money-making platforms. Another big drawback is that the availability and the amount of money that you get paid by completing these surveys depend heavily on your age, gender, living expenses, and how much money you make, plus your country. I personally think it's mainly based on your country, because I know here in Australia I can earn up to $10 per survey, but I do know if you're watching in, let's say, a country like South Africa, you might only be able to earn $1 or $2 max. The survey platforms that I mentioned generally will pay you either instantly or within a couple of days of requesting your cash out. Next, we have the offer wall platforms with multiple different ways to earn. These include platforms such as Free Cash, Qme, Earnably, and Swagbucks. These platforms offer so many different ways to earn real-life cash by completing tasks and completing offers. Plus, they generally have such a large amount of cash out options as well. The best thing is you can even find surveys and games here to play also on these platforms. So that's why if you see platforms that I mentioned earlier that I said that you can complete surveys on, more than likely you can find offer walls on them as well. Without a doubt, the best positive of using the offer wall platforms is that they usually offer the highest amount of money to be earned online from your mobile phone. Some of the negatives though is that obviously the higher the amount of money for these offers, the longer it's going to take you to actually complete them. Plus, you won't get paid until the offer wall provider approves that you actually completed the task. This can be a problem because sometimes I've noticed that offer wall providers can take up to 30 days to approve your offer, or sometimes they don't even approve it at all. And usually you can only complete these offers one single time no matter how many of the different sites you use. So let's say I went to Free Cash and tried to complete the same offer on Qme, the offer provider might actually flag me as not a new user and then it won't pay me. So I would have wasted my time essentially. Next up, we have the earn cryptocurrency online applications and websites. Now, I know out there not everyone is too keen on cryptocurrency, but applications and websites do exist where you can earn free cryptocurrency just for completing games, completing surveys, and completing tasks and offers. Some of the applications that I've reviewed and successfully paid cryptocurrency by include the Coin app. Coin app allows you to actually earn cryptocurrency just from doing day-to-day activities and letting the app run on your mobile phone. And Cointoply, which is probably one of the main ways I think a lot of people try to earn cryptocurrency online for free. Cointoply features offer wall systems, surveys, and rewarded playtime, which means you get paid per minute you play the games. These applications pay generally within 1 to 2 days, by the way. The main positive to these kind of applications is that you get to earn cryptocurrency for free without investing any money. The negatives, of course, is that it is cryptocurrency, so there is fluctuations in the market. Let's say you earn $50 one day, the next day that could be worth maybe $35, or of course it could even be worth $100. You just don't know with the volatility of the market. Speaking of cryptocurrency, I've been getting into cryptocurrency trading. Another way that you can actually earn money, of course with risk, is by trading on the platform Binance. I've recently been trading on there and I've managed to get around $23 worth of currency just by picking the right trades. The only thing is with trading, everyone, it is risky. This is one of the more major money making ways from your mobile phone that carries a risk but can give you a higher reward as well. Next, you have the applications that will pay you to exercise. These include Sweatcoin. Now, don't get me wrong, it will take you quite a long time to get paid using these type of applications. The good thing about Sweatcoin though is that you can convert your sweat coins, aka the currency of the application, on their marketplace. I've recently purchased a smartwatch and I got 50% off the smartwatch's price just by using my Sweatcoin currency. And Winwalk. I absolutely love these applications because they keep you fit while paying you money. Winwalk is a complete different beast because you can actually earn via the offer wall systems and completing surveys and playing games. Winwalk paid me instantly my gift card, by the way, just an FYI. Smartwatch did take about 3 weeks to reach my house off of the Sweatcoin purchase. Last but not least, we have completing micro jobs to earn money straight from your mobile phone. The first application that comes to mind is Toloka. Toloka is one of these fantastic applications that will pay you real life money to complete micro tasks, whether that be helping a company out, trying to find vouchers online, or just wanting you to answer general questions. On Toloka, I was able to earn over $20 by completing micro tasks. The only thing was, Toloka took a few weeks to actually pay me my money. I hope I helped someone out there. See you all tomorrow for another video.